See here, the soil is very nutritious. Size of them. Right, let me see, there's a fat one here. Oh my, he's longer. We could use for fishing. Check his length. Use as bait for like about 4 times. It's got that like hidden stuff on him. Marking. Oh my. When I see these earthworms, all I think about is fishing. Going by a lake or by a little pond, fishing. Get some cascadoo and cascarub. Some wabine. I feel I really want to put him by me. I'll put him here for a while. He's like a snake. Where's the other one? I think he hit away already. Oh no, he's trying to. I got him. But he's a little bit smaller, that's all. So you see they're all different colors. Some calm, some restless. But we are very, very big and fat and juicy. High in a lot of protein. But you gotta be careful. These earthworms really, really good for soil. The more I dig, the more I'm finding. Wow, I gotta keep them for my soil. Well, look at these here. Jumbo earthworms. Not jumbo nuts, jumbo earthworms. I'm trying to hide. He's trying to go away. We want to take him out. I can't get him. Right, we caught him. We caught another one. Oh, he's really, really active. See, big just like the other earthworm. Let's I could get 2 of them together. Come here, Pooch. Come on. So I got 2 of them. I got 2 of them in my hands now. And look at them. Two long earthworms. Tell you how good the soil is in the back here. And I'm going to put them back in the soil. So anytime when they're planted plants, it's a good thing to include earthworms into the soil. Bring a lot of nitrates plus nutrients to the soil for the plant to grow. Natural ingredients. These smaller parasites are essential. Right? They are like rare earthworms. The shiny texture and color. Alright, go back in. Put this one back here. Go away. Next one was here. Put them back there, as you could see. They will see about this stuff. Oh. I'll let him back in the dirt now. That's where he belongs. So you want to go back in the softer dirt here. I found him. And that's that. We have our next specimen again. Very fat. Look, he gain away, gain away. The second game. Come, I want to see you, I want to see you. Come on. Right. So you see how that kind of holographic color on top of him? Right? I'm going to answer something cold on my glasses. See how fat he is? Let me tell you how good this soil is. Fatter than the other one that we had just now. Tell you how the soil has good fertility. In the backyard rather than the mud soil that we have. So it's warm and it's wet all the time. Things bound to grow outside here. So fat. High in protein though. If you want up my hand. Oh yeah, he's going on my hand, he's going on my hand. Oh my. Just a earthworm, you have to be afraid. Just wash your hands after. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, what is he doing, what is he doing, what is he doing? Coming off. Oh, he wants to go back in the mud. See, is the mud is their habitat and they want to go back in. Hide the hiding area. So I'll take him back and I will place him here. Right, go ahead. Anyway, back. Go on, go on. See you later. Thanks for interviewing yourself. So you can see in the back here, in the drains and thing, is where the most fertile soil is be. You could plant like, you know, saffron thing on the side. You know, more water absorption than any dry dirt. Yeah, during quarantine, yeah, nature doing good.